How to use to WhatsApp in Android. First of all, you can open Settings application on your phone. And in order to use to WhatsApp in Android, you can create the dual application or clone application of WhatsApp. So to do that, tap the search bar on your setting and type in App Cloner or Dual App. So the name might differ depending on your Android device. You simply need to launch App Cloner and wait until it loads. Here you see different recommended applications and other apps. Here you see the WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and turn on Create App Clone. Currently, I'm not able to do so because you should have 5% of free storage remaining on your device. If you don't have that, you won't be able to do so. So you can free up storage on your device and create app clone. Once the app clone is created, you will see two applications on your WhatsApp on your home screen, and you can easily use two accounts in two different applications of WhatsApp. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.